up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Where are my basket makers? Where are my crafters at? You guys, I know that basket making season has kind of slowed for us, but let's be honest, we still need to make a little extra income. We still need to get our coins. So let me tell you what I have been doing to supplement my income during this kind of off season. So I have been making t-shirts. It has become one of my favorite things to do, and I am going to share with you how I make t-shirts and everything. So as you can see in front of me, I have what we call transfers, okay? So I use this place called Ninja Transfers. I've been getting my transfers from them for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these, and I will show you exactly what they look like, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my Ninja Transfer order. So it comes just like this. I've been using them for a while, and I've just gotten spoiled to using them. They have really good deals. Their transfers are reasonable. And what DTF stands for is direct to film. So what you do is get a design, and you have your designs put on what they call direct to film paper, and you just press it on a t-shirt. When I say this is the easiest method that I have seen, and if you guys are not doing DTF transfer shirts, I mean, I don't know what we doing out here, okay? Because this is the easiest way to make money. And when I say you can make a really decent profit if you market and put yourself in the position, you can really make some money doing this. And to be honest, I really think you can probably make more money doing t-shirts than you can making baskets. Like, hey, I said it, don't y'all come for me. Do not come for me in my comments. But hey, if you market yourself right and you do this thing right, when I tell you, you can really make some money. So this is what the transfers come on. They come on a roll. Now you can get these pre-cut, but I choose not to get them pre-cut. What I do is just go ahead and order however many prints that I need, and I just cut them myself, because usually I don't have a whole lot, you know, to where it's just gonna be really, really time consuming for me to cut them individually. But they keep them rolled real tight and neat, which is great. And this is another roll. They also sell what they call UV DTF transfers. And this is where you can actually take it and put, well, these are my labels that I have. And I get these labels and I put them on my box. So instead of just having a white background, what I do is get my custom label, my logo, and add it to my boxes that I ship my jewelry products in. And what this does is it will actually look like the logo is incorporated into the cardboard box that I use versus just something that's just sitting on top of the box. So I love the UV DTF transfers. I know sometimes you guys may have seen people who do like coffee mugs. That's what they're using. They're putting the prints on there using UV DTF transfers. So do not sleep on it. You guys, when I tell you, it is like a game changer for me in my business. So I am just putting you guys up on a little bit of game for those who do not know. So like I said, with that UV DTF, it comes with a squeegee. So I've accumulated several of these. So every time you order them, they will give you a little squeegee, which is good. And they give you a little, kind of like a little sample pack, because they do patches. So this is a patch that they sent with instructions on how to place patches. So you can also order patches from them. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. It's just one of those places that I like to use. But hey, Ninja, if y'all want to work with me and want to send your girl a sponsorship, like, feel free, okay? I will be tagging them in this video, okay? But yes, they will send you like little items that they have available. Like this is a patch. I guess this is a QR code where it will show you a video on how to, it says works with a heat press. It'll show you how to use and to adhere patches to hats, clothing, or whatever. So that's also great. So let's just move this out of the way. I have been ordering several prints. Like this may be my third or fourth order in at least maybe 2 weeks, which, you know, I just take it how it comes, you know. And what I do is I usually order from them, and what I will do is pay for express shipping. I'll get it maybe in 2 days, you know, so my turnaround time is not that long. So I love it. I've been doing it for a while. So let's go ahead and take off the tape. And they wrap kind of like a packing slip that tells you everything that is inside of the order, which is also a great little ad. So what I am tasked with is, as you can see, we have some family reunion vacation shirts. So I have about 9 of these prints that I will be using on a shirt. As you can see, they do come on a roll. And I also have another shirt that I have to do. And this print right here, what I love so much about this print, because with DTF, not only can you use it on any color fabric, any kind of t-shirts, but you can actually adhere this to maybe a cap. And I am actually going to put this little logo that you see where it says number 50. I'm gonna cut this out, number 50, DFS, established 1975. I'm going to put this on a bag. So this young lady is turning 50 this year, and she purchased a bag, and she wants to have this put on the bag. It's like a canvas bag that she has. I wish I had the bag, but I don't have it with me. So I'm gonna put this on a bag. Like, I am going to put that bag under my press. I'm going to cut this out, and I am going to press this print onto the bag. Like, it's so much stuff that you can do with DTF transfers. And I am also making, she actually ordered like 4 bags, so this is going to go on the 4 bags on one side. On the other side, it has initials. I'm assuming that she's going to give them to her friends or something like that. I'm not really sure, but she called me for the job, and hey, I was like, say less, I got you, okay? And this is another logo that I am doing for my nephew. Actually, I'm going to put that on a t-shirt. I am actually going to put this logo, it should be a smaller logo that I'm going to put on a hat. And this is another, oh, here it is right here, the smaller one. I am going to press this on a cap. So yeah, we got that. And this is another little design that's gonna go on a t-shirt. So basically, and then of course you can see right here, I'm excited about this. You see I did a print that says Grow with Christy YouTube. So I cannot wait to put that on a t-shirt. So hey, when y'all see me in the next video, I'm gonna have my shirt with my DT. So in the last live that I did, I actually did a poll where I asked you guys, would you be interested in learning how to make t-shirts using the DTF method? And 65% said that yes, you would be interested. So I cannot wait to get this program together that I am coming up with. It is going to have everything that you need. You are going to have all of the materials that you're going to need, the supplies, you're going to have vendors, you're going to have where to get t-shirts at a bargain, how to size your prints, you're going to learn how to price your t-shirts. It is just going to be filled with so many things that can help you earn some extra coins all throughout the season in your business. We need another stream of income, and I am going to help you get to it. So if you are interested in making t-shirts in your business, drop DTF in the comments. Drop DTF in the comments, and we are going to stay connected and stay on top of it. If you have gotten value out of this video, if you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I am going to see you in the next video. Bye.